How to install and calibrate the Smart Wi-Fi motorized blind controller. First, make sure you have all the contents in the box and the tools you need for the installation at hand. Select on which side of the window the controller will be installed. Plug the blind controller into the socket. Using a pin, shift the motor direction, in this case to the right. Make sure the chain is not twisted and that it runs parallel to the wall and the window jamb. Place the drilling template against the wall to mark the positioning of the bracket. Mark the pilot holes on the wall. Drill into the markings to bore the holes for the anchors and screws. Insert the screws through the bracket and screw them tight to firmly secure the bracket against the wall. The controller comes with 3 different gears. Open the back lid of the controller. Insert the gear on the motor's pin and attach the chain of the blind. Place the controller on the bracket. To set up and save the starting or opening point, press the pause button for 5 seconds. Then release the pause button and tap the up button. The blind will go up. When the blind is fully open, tap the pause button again. Then, the controller's full cycle will be set and saved. With this, you have learned how to install and calibrate the Smart Wi-Fi motorized blind controller.